Hello, everyone. I'm Monica. And if you've gotten to this video, it's probably because you're looking for a natural alternative that helps your weight loss in a healthy way without strict diets. So pay attention to this video because I will present you all the information about the supplement with Pure CF. Liv Pure really works, its main benefits and ingredients, how to take and if Liv Pure really delivers what it promises. Watch the review until the end because I bring two important alerts, right? Well, the Liv Pure supplement is the only nutritional solution in the world proven to address the true root cause of low energy, slow metabolism, and unexplained weight gain, compromised liver function. As you're probably aware, one of your liver's main functions is to cleanse your body of the chemicals and toxins you're exposed to through food, drugs, alcohol, and the environment in general. However, science has discovered that your liver is also the fat-burning furnace for your entire body. Everything you eat or drink eventually reaches your liver for processing. Your liver then determines if the food you eat, regardless of how healthy or unhealthy it is, will get burned as energy or if it will be stored as unsightly body fat. By supporting your liver health, you can naturally skyrocket energy, fat burning, and metabolism. Do you have deep, stubborn fat stores that no diet or exercise seems to remove? Liv Pure has changed the lives of over 234,000 women and men from 18 to 80 and is designed to rapidly dissolve fat in even the worst cases. But if by the very rare chance that it doesn't, then you're 100% protected by our ironclad 2-month money-back guarantee. That's how confident we are in the power of Liv Pure. It has proprietary blend of 10 super nutrients designed to support the body's detoxification process and support the health of your liver and dramatically maintain your overall health and energy as silymarin B2E in berberine. Molybdenum glutathione was veritable choline and more effective ingredients. It's manufactured in the United States with the best domestic and foreign ingredients. It has GMP certificate, made in FDA and non-GMO, and how to take Liv Pure. Take Liv Pure with a big glass of water every day. Its bespoke proprietary complexes are a blend of natural ingredients that will get to work detoxifying and optimizing your liver so that you can start dissolving fat around the clock even when sleeping. Now I have two very important alerts. First, for you who wants to start your weight loss in a healthy way with the support of the supplement Liv Pure, it is essential that you follow the continuous treatment of 3 months at least to get more effective results and lose fat considerably. You do not need to follow a restrictive diet. But it is important in this process to eat well and healthier as well as exercise. This will affect your quality of life for the better, right? Second notice for you who want to buy the original supplement Liv Pure right now to support your healthy weight loss, buy only on the official website of the manufacturer. To keep you safe, Liv Pure is not sold on sites like eBay and Amazon. So to help you, the link of the official website of Liv Pure is below in the description of the video and the comment fixed. To help you, the official website of the manufacturer is below in the description. I hope to have helped you with the essential information of Liv Pure.